Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to discuss about how to achieve financial freedom. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So in order to achieve financial freedom, number one thing you can do, that is you can clear all your debt. Number second, you should control your expenses, and number third, you should spend less money as much as you can. Number four, you should build an emergency fund. Now what is emergency fund? Emergency fund is that type of fund from where you can use your money on your emergency purposes only. And number 5 is you should increase your income. And the last one, number 6, is you should invest money for your better future. In that case, you should invest your money in real estate for your better future. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.